Igbo Class World, bringing to you all you need to know about traveling, work abroad, study abroad, tour abroad. Today we are bringing to you work in Republic of Ireland. Republic of what? Ireland. Some are mistaken Northern Ireland with Republic of Ireland. This is recruitment agency Hayes. We are going to give you the names of recruiting agencies that are giving sponsorship, and we are going to give you their telephone number, their website. Stay tuned. Please share our video. We are giving you this so that you will succeed. Later you browse through them. This one is Brightwater Recruitment. These are the names of agencies that are recruiting from Republic of Ireland. They are giving sponsorship for non-EU and they are not taking kobo, sisi, afo. Please, my dear people, browse through their website and apply if you are qualified. If you are not qualified, please try to gather all the requirements. And this is the third agency recruiting from abroad. Their name is CPL Recruitment. Browse through your browser. Put their name in your browser. You are going to see it. Although I'm going to give it to you in the comment section after this video. Please, if you are interested, say yes, you are interested. Do you need the link? Say yes, I need the link, so that we know the number of people that need the link, and our admin will come to place the link whenever you see. Sorry, this one is Osborne Recruitment. These are their names, the names of recruitment agencies that are hiring abroad. Later, we are coming to place the link in the comment section. Our admin will come and place the Ifeanyi Charles. Remark that name or Amakude. Whenever they place any link in the comment section, follow the link and do whatever they told you to do. It will be okay. It will be okay. So, dear people, you have to be very clever. Anytime there is opportunity, please grab it. They are the people placing people on their employment. This is SIGMAR recruitment. They are recruiting from Republic of Ireland. Dear people, you are going to be very smart and smarter. Anytime there is employment or opportunity, grab it. Work very serious about it. They are recruiting nurses, doctors, physiotherapists, radiographers. Can you see the name of the employment, the people they are employing, and many more? You never can tell. Anything you have, any qualification, just browse through their website and give them all the requirements. Show them, apply. Search for the job that suits you, then apply. This one is for engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, process engineering, and many more engineering. Almost all the engineerings, they are qualified here. So, dear people, again, yes, I remembered the ITs, the internet technologists. If you are talented with internet, or you studied internet, or you are trained, you have any qualification, try to apply. Yes, accountants, they are qualified. Tax specialist, are you tax specialist? They are calling you. This job is for you. Do you have a friend or family or loved ones? Please call them, tag them in this video. They will benefit from it. Sales manager, marketing manager, digital marketing specialist. Digital something, this world, this is going into digital now. So try to put eye in the digital world. Yes, now I'm bringing you their website, their telephone number, their email. So screenshot it. If you want to apply, you can email them, you can call them. So I'm giving you everything you need to know. So when you get this information, grab it and work with it, utilize it. Because sometimes, many a times, people come back to me, they don't want to do it by themselves, they need help. If you need help, call your brother or your sister or anybody that you know that can help you. No need of coming into my inbox asking me for help or to explain more. Everything I know, all I know is what I'm telling you here. If you come into my inbox, is full. I don't normally go to my inbox. I'm not agent, I'm not employer, I'm not giving any work. I'm just giving you information. They say information is power. When you give your people right information, genuine information, authentic information that will not put them in trouble, or they will not be scammed, then you have given them many things. See this one, you see the global.net. Look at their number. You see all the name of the agency that are recruiting, that have given you their website, and the telephone number is coming now. They are rolling on the screen now. So what you will do is screenshot it or copy it. Later I will give it to you into the comment section. But mind you that our admin, we have 3 admins. So whenever you see them post something in the comment section, copy it. All these things are coming into comment section. So be patient with us, and if you need it, say yes, I need it, so that our admin will give it to you direct in your comment. Please, dear people, share our videos, video, so that you will motivate us, because we are doing this for the benefit of our people, so that our people will benefit. And these ones that are coming now, they are their websites. This one, look at it, is 2 in 1. One is brightwater.ie. Look at their number. The second one is another website. Dear people, you have to be strong. Never you be afraid. God is with you and is going to see you through. God will see each and every one of you through. Never you shiver. Never you be afraid. God is watching everything. He's going to see you through. I'm showing you their website, their telephone number. These are 2 in 1, 2 companies. 2 companies, hey, and the other one. Dear people, I've given you what I need to give you. Please, don't come in my inbox to ask more, because I don't normally go to my inbox. Now I have signed it to admin. Admin is the person that take in charge. Our admin is in charge of my inbox now, because we have many WhatsApp number which I'm attending, and I cannot come here and come here. That's why I'm showing you all you need to know, so that you will do it by yourself, or ask person that knows internet, person that are familiar with internet, person that can browse, person that can help you. I cannot give you the link and everything and telephone number, then you come back to me and tell me to start applying for you. No, there's millions of people. I cannot apply for everybody. This one is what I can do. Ịma na ekele ọlụ eke emegonu m nke m, ma bịakwa m emegbuzi onwe m. Ụmụnne unu abịa na inbox m, anyị ga-emeghekwe communication link. We are going to open communication link in our WhatsApp, so that we all start communication again, because we closed it for a long time. Now we are about to open it again. Those that haven't joined us, we are going to share the link soon, maybe tomorrow. And again, mind you that Canada visa is coming. We have the contact of the woman that is doing Canada visa, visiting visa. So if you need it, join us live tomorrow. She's coming live with us, so that she will explain everything you need to know, and she will be on our WhatsApp group explaining also. And after explaining, if you are ready, you just inbox her that you are ready. Do not go and start asking questions, because if question is too much, the person will break down. Do not allow your fellow sister or brother to break down in the name of helping you. When you help yourself, God is helping those who help themselves. Please try to help yourself to an extent, at least 70%. Then other people will help you 30%. But if you come for people to help you from scratch or help you 70%, can you see it will not work? Bye bye.